Hi, I'm Jesse with CaseMaster Pro. Today we'll be going over the setup of review codes in CMPOnline. Review codes are similar to task, diary, or tickler codes in that they notify users of certain items that should be reviewed on a case file before moving forward to the next step in the case file's workflow. Before proceeding in this video, we recommend watching our case file basics video, as it goes over a few key screens that we'll be assuming you've seen before. Okay, let's get started. I'm logged into a demo database in version 4.8 of the application, so it might look a little different from yours, but the same features should apply. To get started, we'll look at the reviews that we have set up on the current case file by browsing to Case File, Reviews. These reviews are specific to the case file, but we can see that we have several past due reviews, shaded in red, yesterday's reviews, shaded in yellow, and today's reviews, shaded in green. And finally, future reviews with no shading. We can see these notations if we click the Legend button here. We can also see here that if a review is a high priority, we'll see it bolded in red, while a low priority has the code in blue. Lastly, if the review is assigned to a group, you'll see a checkered background. Group reviews are explained in our Creating and Assigning Reviews to a Group YouTube video. If we click the Add New button, we can see our review code dropdown, which lists the review code along with the description of the code. By selecting one of these review codes, we notice that the description, assigned to, and date due are automatically populated for us with default values, which we can override. CMPOnline comes packaged with a few default reviews, but we can customize them to fit our firm as needed. For example, we might want a review to remind us to send a specific document to the court or opponent in the case, or to review the case file at a certain point. To set up our own review codes, we'll browse to Administration, Lookups, Case File, Review Codes. We'll click on the Add New button to add our new review code. The code value can be any unique alphanumeric value up to 3 characters in length. The review text is the default description that will be used on the review when this code is selected. The assigned user is the default user whom the review will be assigned to. If this is left blank upon setup, a user will need to be assigned manually each time the review is used on a case file. If you wish to assign this to a group by default, click Group here. If you would like to see how to set up and configure these review groups, please view our Creating and Assigning Review Groups YouTube video. We can also assign this to a current user or default user on the file. I'll select Default User for this review. The Number of Days field specifies how many days to add to today's day for the default due date on the review. The Allow Future checkbox specifies if this review can have a date due further than 60 days into the future. This is helpful to prevent mistakes and miskeys when entering a date due. The Opponent Required checkbox specifies if the opponent is required on the review before it can be saved. The priority is the high, normal, or low priority level for this review code. The Allow to Send to Outlook is available if you have the Outlook add-on enabled. For more information regarding this add-on, please contact the CMPOnline representative for more information, or view our Outlook add-on YouTube video. We can follow this same process to add or update additional reviews. Now we can add this review to the current case file by browsing back to Case File, Reviews, and clicking the Add New button. We'll select our review to see the default values populate, which can be overridden by the user if needed. Finally, to see all our reviews assigned to us, or those of any other user, we can select the My Reviews menu item. On this screen, we can currently see all the reviews assigned to me, notated by the filter set above. We can see reviews due up to today by selecting the filter option and selecting Through Today. We can also see reviews assigned to others by changing the user here. And that wraps up today's video. As always, if you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us through the contact support icon in the application or through our website. Thank you and have a great day.